Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Roseselsa Ceramics X True Wireless Earbuds. At just $37.99, these promise a lot. LDAC support, hybrid ANC, 50-hour battery life, and even a gaming mode. But are these just another pair of budget TWS earbuds, or do they really stand out? Let's find out! First up, let's talk about the build. The charging case is lightweight, durable polycarbonate with a glossy finish that resists fingerprints and minor scratches. The earbuds are compact and sleek, with an ergonomic design that's incredibly comfortable for extended wear. At just 4.2 grams per earbud, these are perfect for workouts or long commutes. Plus, the snug fit ensures they won't budge even when you're on the move. Let's get into what you're here for, the sound quality. The Roseselsa Ceramics X is tuned with a V-shaped sound signature, giving a boost to the bass and treble, with slightly recessed mids. But it's more than just that. With 3 EQ modes, Hi-Fi, Pop and Rock, you can customize the experience to suit your style. In Hi-Fi mode, you get the most balanced experience. Let's start with low frequencies. The bass is punchy and deep without being overwhelming. Tracks like Billie Eilish's Bad Guy highlight the sub-bass beautifully. It's present and rumbles, but it doesn't muddy the mids. The mid-bass is equally well handled, adding warmth and energy to bass guitar lines or kick drums without bleeding into other frequencies. The mids in Hi-Fi mode are the most forward you'll get with the Ceramics X, but they're still slightly recessed. This can make male vocals, like in Ed Sheeran's Perfect, feel a bit distant, though female vocals fare better. Instruments like acoustic guitars and pianos sound clear, but they lack the rich tonality audiophiles might expect. In pop mode, the focus shifts to the mids, pulling vocals to the forefront. For example, Adele's Easy on Me sounds fantastic. Her voice is intimate and detailed, cutting through the mix with clarity. However, this mode sacrifices bass and treble, which may make some tracks feel flat or uninspiring. Now, rock mode is where things get exciting, especially for bass heads. Tracks like the Chainsmokers' Closer deliver a powerful, punchy low end that's full of energy. The treble sparkles, bringing out the shimmer of cymbals and hi-hats, but there's a trade-off. The mids, already a weak point, get pushed even further back, making vocals and mid-range instruments feel recessed. The bass performance is a highlight for the Ceramics X. The sub-bass is deep and textured, while the mid-bass adds a punch that feels lively and engaging. Tracks like Drake's God's Plan showcase the earbud's ability to handle thumping beats without distortion. Even in rock mode, where the bass is most emphasized, it stays controlled and doesn't bleed into other frequencies. The mid-range is decent, but not the Ceramics X's strongest suit. Male vocals can sound slightly recessed, which is noticeable in tracks like Lewis Capaldi's Someone You Loved. Female vocals fare better, benefiting from more energy in the upper mids. However, certain instruments, like violins or acoustic guitars, lack the natural warmth and texture you'd expect in a more neutral tuning. However, it's worth noting that at higher volumes, the treble can become sharp, especially in Hi-Fi or pop modes. If you're sensitive to high frequencies, you might find this fatiguing over long listening sessions. The soundstage is serviceable, but not expensive. You'll get decent left-right separation, which works well for genres like jazz or classical. However, don't expect the wide, immersive soundstage of higher-end models. Instrument separation is solid for casual listening, but busier tracks like Imagine Dragons' Radioactive can feel congested, with some instruments blending into the mix. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get a stable connection and high-resolution audio. The RoseLink app allows you to toggle between EQ modes, customize touch controls, and switch ANC settings. While functional, the app feels limited and sluggish compared to competitors. Battery life is outstanding. You'll get up to 50 hours of total playtime, with the earbuds fully recharging in about 40 minutes. For most users, that's nearly a week of use without worrying about running out of juice. The hybrid ANC is surprisingly good for this price point. It effectively reduces low-frequency noise like engine hum. The wind noise mode is a standout for outdoor use, while transparency mode works well for hearing your surroundings. However, don't expect flagship-level performance. It struggles with higher-pitched sounds and chatter. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of the Roseselsa Ceramics X. Starting with the downsides, the mids are notably recessed, particularly affecting male vocals, which can feel distant and lack the warmth that some listeners might prefer. Additionally, the app functionality, while user-friendly, feels limited and could benefit from more advanced features. Another drawback is that the treble can become harsh at higher volumes, potentially causing listening fatigue for those sensitive to high frequencies. Lastly, the microphone quality is average at best, making it less ideal for frequent calls or virtual meetings. On the brighter side, the Roseselsa Ceramics X offers excellent value for money, especially considering its affordable price point paired with support for high-resolution audio. The sound profile is engaging, with punchy bass and lively treble that make it suitable for a wide range of genres. Battery life is another standout feature, providing an impressive 50 hours of playtime that outperforms many competitors. The lightweight and comfortable design ensures a secure fit, even during extended listening sessions. Additionally, the active noise cancellation performs solidly for casual use, effectively reducing ambient noise in everyday environments. At $37.99, the Roseselsa Ceramics X is a fantastic choice for casual listeners and bass lovers. With its impressive battery life, solid ANC, and fun sound signature, it punches above its weight. Sure, it's not perfect. The reset mids and basic app might deter audiophiles, but for the price, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for budget earbuds with strong features, the Ceramic X is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you pick up the Roseselsa Ceramics X? Until next time, happy listening!